Soreness, swelling, stiffness. These are just a few of the common symptoms of varicose veins, but there are effective treatments to get rid of your veins and your pain. Vascular surgeon Dr. Gulbhushan Sharma, founder and medical director of Arizona Vein and Laser Institute, is here to tell us all about them. Good to see you. So when patients typically come to see you, what are their symptoms?
My patients have a wide variety of symptoms. Some patients show up when in their terms, the veins are exploding on their legs, and they see a lot of veins, spider veins or a little bit bigger veins, they show up on their legs. So those patients are concerned and they come to me. Many patients come when their legs start swelling. They feel their legs are always tired, they are heavy. Or other patients who start having cramping in their legs. They feel somewhat restless leg symptoms in the evening, that their legs become very restless. And finally, the patients come to me where their skin changes have occurred.
Right.
Their skin has become brownish, discolored.
And those are things we need to worry about. Those can be very serious symptoms.
Absolutely, that's a natural progression of the disease. If you wait too long, these things will happen. And finally, some patients do come to me, even in this day and age, with venous ulcers, which they had for many years.
So what are venous ulcers?
Venous ulcers is the last stage of the venous incompetence problems. The pressure from the incompetent veins that compromises the skin, mostly around the ankles and the lower legs, and the skin starts breaking down. And because the microcirculation in the skin is not that good, so the ulcers don't heal. And they keep on oozing fluid, and also they are very painful.
So what kind of treatments do you recommend to those patients?
The treatment is first we have to find the cause, whether they are from the veins or from the arterial system. These are two different systems. If these are from the veins, we have to treat the incompetent veins to take the pressure off that area. So the skin starts nourishing again, the blood flow starts flowing, and so the ulcers heal once we take the root cause off.
And so, Dr. Sharma, you've performed over 10,000 ablations in your career. For those folks watching right now who may be waiting too long to get treatment, what could happen? I mean, what is the progression of venous disease?
Yeah, like we discussed before, it starts with some veins showing up on the legs. Then the bigger veins, the varicose veins, they show up. Their legs become very heavy. They start swelling up. Then the discoloration of the skin, that's permanent. They will notice that their legs become somewhat purplish or brownish discoloration around the ankles. And then finally the ulcers come. It doesn't happen over months, it happens over years. But then once these happen, they are permanent changes.
And I mean, you were even saying at some point it could eventually affect the way the blood flows throughout the entire body, correct?
Oh, absolutely.
And I mean, that could be a heart issue down the line.
That's true. I mean, the main thing is that the patients suffer with these symptoms for many years.
Right.
And when they get a treatment, they feel that they feel so good now. So why did we wait those many years?
Because the treatment itself, is it painful?
No, it's it is minimally invasive treatment.
So it's minimally invasive and you're going through pain anyway, so why not get it fixed? And you have a new Chandler location. Tell us about the free screenings that you're offering there.
Yeah, we do free screening. The patients come to my office and they are evaluated by me. And if they do have venous problem, then we do further workup. But many patients with these symptoms, they can have some other reasons too. So as a vascular surgeon, I can evaluate them much more better and then direct them in the proper way.
But the bottom line is don't wait. Don't put it off.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, let's give you some information. Arizona Vein and Laser Institute. They have 5 Valley locations. They are in Glendale, Phoenix, Avondale, Surprise, and their newest clinic is now open in Chandler. Dr. Sharma is offering free vein screenings at all 5 locations, and same-day appointments are available. 602-298-VEIN. That's 602-298-8346 is the number to call to book an appointment, or visit them online, ArizonaVeinandLaser.com.